Hey everyone, okay, in this tutorial I'm going to show you very quickly how to make your eye look wider, and this is from the inner corner and the outer corner so the eye looks wide all the way through. I've just primed the eye and now I'm going to start on the lower lash line, and this is going to give me a guideline of where to go with the extension of the eyeshadow. So you can see I'm going up and out past my natural eye shape, and this is very important to lengthen the eye. So with this complete, we're going to connect that from the outside corner right the way up. My eye is open the entire time. The reason for that is because we walk around with our eyes open, and therefore I can see any hooded areas that need correcting. I'm just going to gently blend underneath this eye shape. Now I've used minimal mascara in this tutorial to give you a full perspective on what eyeshadow can do and not what lashes can do. So blend this in really well. With that blended, I'm going to use a darker colour on the outside corner of the eye. And I'm just using this to define that lower outside corner and of course the upper outside corner as well. So you just want to blend this in. Again, eye open, I'm going over all those hooded areas. We've extended that outside corner now by quite a lot, even though it's quite a subtle look. You'll see at the end. So just blending this into the upper part of the lash line. And I'm going over those hooded areas, and now I'm just going to blend it. Now, with blending complete, we're nearing the final stages of this eye look. So, what are we going to do next? We're going to add a little bit more colour. I can't see my timeline, so I'm going along live with you. Darker colour on that outside corner of the eye. Now, just cleaning up the outside edges, just smoothing everything in. With a small amount of concealer next, I'm just going to clean up that outside edge so that everything underneath the eye is a bit smoother and a bit sharper. And this step is very important. You shouldn't ignore this step because it's difficult to get the correct shape without having to do a little correction to begin with. Any part of the eyelid that's visible, I'm going to apply something light and bright to bring that area forward, and I'm just smoothing it with my finger. No point getting a brush dirty. With a sponge with a little bit of foundation, I'm blending that outside edge so it's not so harsh. Going quickly through the eyebrow area just to define it and extend it ever so slightly. This look really is about showing you how to widen an eye. Again, another color on that inner portion just to kind of marry in together with the shades I've looked. Minimal mascara now because you want to see what the eyeshadow can do, not be overwhelmed with the lashes. But with lashes on, this would look extraordinary. So, almost finishing off, what we're going to do now is we're going to highlight that inner corner of the eye. And it's important when you highlight this inner corner that you overextend it. It has to come out way farther than your actual beginning portion of the eye. So that tear duct, go around it, but then overextend it. Not making it thicker, but making it longer. This is the trick to really wide eyes in the inner corner and the outer corner. And you will now see a completed look in a few moments time. And you can see how wide I've taken that now. And when I pull back, you'll notice the eye looks really almond and very, very long. There you go. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.